Psych. I am excited, guys. So today what I did is I got this Lego set for my sister for Christmas. It's Black Ops 3 Transit Diner, and I built it. Me and my brother built it. It was awesome. But I usually I'd build the roof and like right here and stuff in the speaker, and I made this. So we look inside of there. Okay. So I'm missing a piece. It's supposed to be this. Alright. Then I have a zombie. I put it there. And then I have another zombie, another guy over there, and then let's look inside. So we have these tables. We have this zombie here, and then look, guys. Wham! Speed freaking cola from freaking Black Ops 2, guys. Oh my god, that is crazy, right? Let me put it back. Okay. So, it took me like at least a month. Not a month, because I haven't even been working on it. I haven't even been working on it, but I just finished it like right now. A couple minutes ago. And oh my god, I'm just proud of myself right now, dude. It's freaking awesome. Look at this. Oh my god. Alright, so I want to show you all the zombies. So I called this guy Mr. Hill for some reason, because he's like one of those guys that are like his name is Mr. Hill because he always drinks. It looks like he's like wasted right now. He's like man, I'm not really wasted right now, so I wanna be talking smack because I'm not even like, yeah, so, I mean, that's not cool and all that, so, it's like I'm just, alright, so I called him Mr. Hill for something, I don't know why. I like his little hat, he's awesome. Look inside his eyes. No, but he's pretty cool. Then we have, I didn't really call him, but I'm gonna call him Gerald. Man down. No, okay, we're gonna make a story with Mr. Hill, Gerald. Hey, didn't you owe me like $5, dude? Didn't you owe me like $5? No. When? I didn't know. When? You know you owe me some dollars. Don't try to lie to me. No. Mother, there's so much light on. Oh, Pokemon. Okay, so the lights just went out Alright. Don't try to lie to me. I know you still owe me those $5, man. Look, I don't have them. You can just ask me like in 2 months, cause that's when I get paid. Jeez, man, like, what? Your job sucks. Like, for real, dude. You get paid like in 2 months? Dude, that is messed up. I mean, look at my crib. I mean, I know it's all have like wood and broken glass, but shoot, at least I have a crib and I have my own freaking sign, dude. Look, here's my homie, my brother, Gerald Jr. What's up, homie? Hey, dab me up. Yeah, yeah. Yee, yee, yee. Alright, bet. Yay! Yay! Alright. Oh gosh! Okay, okay, okay. Look. I'm not gonna pay you, okay? You hear this, guys? You know what? This is unacceptable. This is unacceptable. Get him! Oh, hey, dude, I was joking. I'm gonna pay you. What you say, huh? Oh. Ah. Hey, dude! Ah. Dude,